ano nga ba yung ways na people seek revenge in relationships? And I came across this Reddit thread na babasahin natin siya. This was just posted 3 months ago.
Oh, okay.
So the question posted here is, what's your secret form of revenge when your spouse hurts you?
So ito yung mga pailalim na hindi kailangan malaman ng
Very
iba.
passive-aggressive to. Very
Passive-aggressive.
passive-aggressive.
Very, pag walang nakatingin.
Yan.
Okay.
So ang number
Oh
one
my
dito,
gosh.
I will just categorize all the answers, no? Kasi
This is why marriage terrifies me.
totoo. Kasi may theme naman. Number 1 is silent treatment. Yan. Mga babae nagsagot nun. Very normal. Very
Okay.
common.
Yeah.
And I think I can be like that. Pero okay, in my defense, when I give the cold shoulder, it's because I'm trying to regulate. Parang baka kung ano pa masabi ko.
Okay.
Gusto ko sumabog, magsabi ng mga masamang mga words.
Alam mo yun, kasi pwede ako magsabi ng mga hurtful na words.
Pero pwede rin kasing cold treatment ka, tapos in your head, it's justified na, di ba, may masabi ako, pero gusto mo rin na hinahabol-habol ka na parang,
Wow.
hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na, I just need time. Kailangan talaga silent.
Hindi, kaya nga I have that tendency. It's just a tendency.
Is
that
it?
happens in
Is
real
it?
life sometimes.
Is it just a tendency? Sorry. Okay.
Pero gets mo yon yung cold shoulder. Gets ko yun eh. Pakiramdaman mo kung anong mali. Ganyan.
Ayan, ganun. The girl
Diba?
is girling.
I know.
Baby girl.
Ito pa.
Okay.
Meron dito. Ito. Natatawa ako. Revenge shopping daw. Gamit yung credit card
my
ng asawa
gosh.
nila. I think I also have that tendency.
Actually, ikaw ata lahat sumagot dito. Grabe yon. Ito kasi nga yung point na it's so justifiable. Because, sinaktan naman ako eh. She started it. Pwedeng ganun eh. Siya yung nag-instigate or, kasi ginanto niya ako, kaya ito yon.
Oo.
Ito yung
kapalit.
response. Oo.
Just to even out balancing the scales. Kumbaga.